headbins or under the seat in front of you. It is forbidden to place hand luggage in front of the bulkhead seats or the emergency exits. Smaller items such as tablets and mobile phones must be safely secured in the passenger's hand or stowed away. Larger items such as laptops must be stowed away safely during taxiing, takeoff and landing. Please inform the cabin crew immediately if your electronic device gets damaged or produces heat or smoke. If you should lose your electronic device in your seat, do not move the seat and inform the cabin crew immediately. For further regulations concerning the use of electronic devices on board, we ask you to consult the in-flight magazine in your seat pocket. Please fasten your seatbelt now, as we are taking off. Because turbulence can occur unexpectedly, you are obliged to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you are seated. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign is on, the use of the lavatories is not permitted. For takeoff and landing, make sure that the back of your seat is in a fully upright position, that your tables are folded away, and the window blinds are open. Secure infants with the infant's belt, which will be distributed by your flight attendant if needed. Please note that smoking is not permitted on board this aircraft. This includes all kinds of smoking devices as well as alternative and smoking simulating products. All lavatories are equipped with smoke detectors. If cabin pressure is lost, oxygen masks will be released automatically. Pull the mask towards your face and cover your nose and mouth. Then help children and other passengers. In case of impact on land or water, position yourself as shown on the screen. You may use either position. In case of an evacuation, follow the illuminated escape path markings and leave all your hand luggage behind. The emergency exits are identified by exit signs and are located as shown on the screen and the safety on board card. If you are sitting in a row with an emergency exit, you must be able to open this exit if instructed to do so by the crew. If you are not able or willing to perform this task, please ask a crew member to reseat you somewhere else.
Ladies and gentlemen, for safety reasons, you are required to have your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated or the fasten seatbelt sign is on. Please open the baggage compartments carefully because items could fall out. Ladies and gentlemen, Swiss supports the worldwide efforts to stop the spread of the coronavirus wherever possible. As we care about your health and that of our employees, we have adapted our in-flight services to the current conditions and are doing everything we can to ensure that you feel comfortable on board. Thank you. Meine Damen und Herren, aus Sicherheitsgründen sind Sie verpflichtet, sich immer anzuschnallen, wenn immer Sie Ihren Sitzplatz eingenommen haben oder die Anschnallzeichen eingeschaltet sind. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckfächer vorsichtig, es könnten Gegenstände herausfallen. Meine Damen und Herren, Swiss unterstützt die weltweiten Bemühungen, die Verbreitung des Coronavirus wo immer möglich zu unterbinden. Da uns sowohl Ihre Gesundheit wie auch die unserer Mitarbeiter sehr am Herzen liegt, haben wir unseren Bordservice den derzeitigen Gegebenheiten angepasst und versuchen alles zu tun, damit Sie sich an Bord wohlfühlen. Vielen Dank.